In a world where databases are present everywhere, where energy consumption is recorded in a database, where all financial information is stored in a database, as well as the number and duration of all phone calls, where inventories, transport information, and even entertainment bookings all require a database, where almost all websites are powered by a database, when getting the right information at the right time is critical for many businesses. One language is used to access all databases, and this language is SQL. You'd better know it.
I want to teach you how to use SQL and how to use it well.
SQL can seem very simple. Databases store tables that have a name and contain rows of related information. Each column stores one particular attribute. In this example, each row is a collection of facts about movies. SQL is the language that's used to store the information, to maintain it, and to retrieve it. If you want to retrieve some particular information from this table, it's very easy. You type select, followed by the names of the columns you want to retrieve, followed by from and the name of the table. A database can contain thousands of tables, followed by where and a condition that must be satisfied by the rows you want to get back. This condition can apply to a column that will not be returned. You run the query and you get a subset of the original table that's only composed of the values of the columns you requested for the rows you requested. Very easy, isn't it? Unfortunately, very often simple elementary operations can combine into something that's very complicated. That's exactly what happens with SQL, which is a very powerful language. You don't need to be a genius to write good SQL queries, but you really need to understand well the logic behind the language. Otherwise, you may end up writing queries that are very slow or which return wrong results, or both. In this course, I'll explain to you, point by point, how to use SQL well. Not simply the syntax, but the spirit of the language. And I'll build up slowly. But clear explanations are not all. In any domain, if you want to become good, you must practice, and practice a lot. This is why on the Konagora website, you can at any time pause the video and try what I've shown to you. Or try variations. And play around. Until you're certain you've really understood. The course is composed of 12 modules. The first 5 are free, and there's no registration required.
See you soon on Konagora.com.